Good morning, you guys. Welcome back. Today we are going to be going to a little brunch place. I think they sell breakfast and lunch. So we're going to be going there, and then we are going to be picking up our bridesmaid dresses for one of my friend's wedding. And then I'm going to check out Trader Joe's because I'm going to be down that way because it's about a 40-minute drive from where I am. But it's right down the road from where the dresses are. So we're just gonna, me and Emmy are gonna stop there whenever we're done getting the dresses. Because I feel like everybody loves Trader Joe's and I've never been to one. So I just really, really wanna try it and see what kind of good stuff I can get. So that is the plan for this morning, and then this afternoon Bryn will just get home from school and we'll probably play outside or something. So yeah, let's get going. Hey guys, so we are on our way to the brunch place, and I just thought I would give you guys a little bit of a background on who these friends are. So when I moved here in my 8th grade year from Rhode Island, Nakia was my first friend, and we have been friends ever since. So Nakia actually introduced Reese and I, so all thanks to her. So now we have this beautiful family. And then Carrie I met my 9th grade year, so probably about a year after I met Nakia. And we've been friends ever since. We kind of lost touch for a little while, but we've been talking more, and her wedding is in September. It's September 1st. And Nikki and I are both her bridesmaids. So we are going to pick up our dresses that we chose. She was really easy. She's like, you can pick whatever you want. So we all got the same dress, but we're all having different colors, so it's all shades of purple. And yeah, I'm just excited to like hang out with them this morning and get our dresses and go to brunch and, you know, have girl time. And Emmy's with us, so that's fun. So I just wanted to give you guys like a little background on who my friends are. So when you guys see them in the vlog later, if they want me to vlog them, I won't vlog them if they don't want me to. You guys will know who I'm talking about. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update.
You know, airplanes don't just stop for anyone. They must have been like, that's our friend Emmy. Like, wow, so cute. Let's stop and say hi. Emmy. I can't get her. What are you saying? You want to go higher?
No.
You like my ring?
What's this?
Those are pink nails.
Why?
Because you have pink nails, so I was like, excuse me, nail doctor, I need pink nails.
Yeah.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
We match.
Yeah.
Are we like best friends? You're not my best friend. What?
No.
Are you my best friend?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Give me a huggy.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
You're such a stuff. Like a shirt that says bride on it, or just for fun. Are you vlogging? Mm-hmm. Wait, let me button up my thing. She's like taking it off in the center of the store. Hello. Hi, Carrie.
Hey.
All right, guys, and we are back home now. So I'm going to show you what we got from Trader Joe's, and pretty much everything I got was things I've seen people like rave about. So let me show you what we got. Just got one bag. So bananas. We needed bananas. I got a red bell pepper. Creamy almond butter. That looks good. Some whipping cream. I've heard such good things about this. Everything but the bagel. Seasoned blend. I got some zucchini for a dinner. Raspberries. Emmy loves raspberries. Some brown rice. I got a little candy bar. Vegetable fried rice. Oh, I've heard amazing things about this. The orange chicken. Oh, I can't wait to try that. And then I got some chicken sausage. So that's all I got for the first trip, but I have a feeling I will definitely be going back because I was looking around and I was like, I was expecting the prices to be a lot worse than they were, and I thought they were pretty good. I didn't think that they were too expensive. So I am very excited to go back there. Emmy's still sleeping. It's almost 2, so she'll probably be up soon. But yeah, I'm gonna put all this stuff away and we will see what the rest of the day brings us. Say it again.
I don't know what you're talking about, Mom.
Is it a good pop?
Yeah. That's a good pop to me. Oh, my pop to me, Mama.
Where are you going?
Bye.
Alright guys, so the girls just ate dinner and I'm going to make me and Reese some dinner. So I'm gonna try this mandarin orange chicken and then the vegetable fried rice. So I don't know how much to make. Maybe half of it for me and him. It says there should be about 5 servings in here, and probably just half the rice. All right, so that is what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'm just preheating the oven right now, and then tonight, once the kids go to bed, I am going to film a clean with me night routine, because this house is just destroyed every single day. So it's kind of just what I do when the girls go to bed. It's nothing crazy, but it gets the job done. Who knows, maybe I'll want to do a full deep clean of my house. I don't know. We'll have to just wait and see. Alright guys, and that is it for this vlog. I am going to cook myself some dinner and get the kids to bed. So if you liked this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.